Hello, brothers and sisters, India. Uh, I have made a video long back, asking everyone to follow the instructions and help the government. And at the time, the coronavirus cases were only 5,000 in India. And at the time, I have shown you statistics also, where I said that the recovery rate statistics are very important. And since then, Government of India took the recovery rate statistic from 67% to 98%. Now it is good that, which means 98 100 minus 98, only 2% people are dying in the hospital once they are detected in corona. But earlier it was 67%. So it was the my video has um, done a good work in a way that since then it has improved. But one more thing is, I said that the care should be taken. It is very dangerous, and if it is taken very lightly, it is very dangerous situation for India. Already from then time when I made that video and today, from 5,000 cases, it has gone up to now more than 15. You know, it's around. It's about to touch around 1 million mark, 10 lakh cases. So it's going to be very challenging, and uh, what I feel that there should be some dedicated community worker who should go out and sanitize public places and road transport and other people, so that uh, vehicle seats, so that this is controllable. Otherwise it is not very easily controllable. And I have given you videos also in the last my Facebook post, where I showed that how some people are putting hydrogen peroxide in water and spraying it to clean. So those kind of things are required. Otherwise, you know still the graph is not coming down. So I don't know how long it will take. Now, even in density terms, uh, there are 1,000 people affected out of a 10 lakh population or 1 million population. So every city where there is 10 lakh population, there are 1,000 patient in India, which means like almost 0.1% of India is already under uh, COVID. But one thing which government has done is, I also posted that video that to increase the uh, testing. So since then, there were only 7,000 tests which were done per million population, and it has increased to almost around uh, it was when I last saw in, it was around 20,000, which means from it has increased from uh, points from 0.7% uh, to now it has gone to around 2%. So 2 to 5% population of India is already tested. But what I see and urge people that if they can take this testing to still bigger number, which means that let's suppose if you test 50% of the population, then there is very less chance that new cases are going to increase, because after 50, 100 minus 50 is only 50, so it will go down to 49, 48, 47. So the raise should be as quickly as 50%, but that is also need basis, because you can't say that test everyone. So immediately when something is caught, immediately it should be tested. So now the testing has to increase. So testing has to go from whatever means like it's around 2%, to at least it should go to around at least 5 to 10%. So and which doesn't mean that if somebody doesn't have symptoms, just go and test them. So uh, I feel that now the testing is a biggest block in stopping this corona uh, virus epidemic in India. Okay, thank you. And also I posted last time, but I will post it in another video.